Off-roading exhilarates until your ATV gets ensnared on the road strewn with obstacles or loaded with mud in the middle of nowhere. Without a self-rescue backup, the sticky situation can get you ill at ease. Luckily, an ATV winch is an imperative companion of your astride-seated vehicle that pulls it out, or the obstacle, to where you think is convenient. But, the winches come in a plethora of types, prices, and models that can quickly get you lost in a hunt for the best one. There are numerous options for cheap ATV winches, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable ATV winches, from trustworthy manufacturers, to help you make an informed choice. Following an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. The Superwinch 1,135,220 Terra 35 ATV Winches. The best ATV winch in 2023 is the affordable, feature-packed, and durable Superwinch. Countless customers agree that the winch has features that beat many others, including its versatility and ease of mounting. Use it to rescue your ATV, UTV, car, or boat from a sticky situation without worries of the high-grade steel cutting or the motor getting overloaded. The wide and strong, all-steel gears guarantee longer life and better performance. The strong dynamic brake and top mechanical load holding capacity will hold your load in place to keep it safe, despite power loss or surge. A circuit breaker is part of the top safety features included for even more protection. You get a limited lifetime warranty with the product when you purchase the original brand. Buy it from Amazon to enjoy this and many other offers and discounts. Number 2. The Warn 101,025 VRX ATV Winch. Warn's 3-stage planetary gear train and strong mechanical brake work together for cutting-edge self-rescue abilities. Its all-metal construction gives it exceptional resistance to damage, and the powder-coated finish works to resist corrosion and other harmful stuff. Coupled with its waterproof features, the winch will resist damages from all angles. Use the winch's zinc-plated hook for surefire pulling and durability. This winch cost is quite affordable, so you don't need to fear acquiring one, especially on Amazon, where you'll get huge discounts and massive offers. The winch is from a reliable manufacturer, so there's confidence in its overall quality. Customers have reviewed it well, which is part of the reason it has a spot on this list. Number 3. The Champion ATV UTV Winch Kit. This powerful and reliable winch wins a spot on this list for the balance between its top-rated qualities and price. It saves the buyer a great deal of cash while offering reliable services in the long run. The Champion ATV Winch has an aircraft cable for pulling your ATV, UTV, cars, boats, and other vehicles. It includes all that you need to start self-rescuing when it ships, like remote controls, a mounting channel, and other accessories. Champion manufacturers designed this winch with your safety in mind. That's why they included a sufficient dynamic braking system of the drum. The winch's line speeds of 4.3 and 8.9 feet/minute when fully and not loaded, respectively, will save your rescue time. Use the remote control feature to your safety advantage. It comes with a 2-year limited warranty and a bonus free lifetime technical support from Amazon. Number 4. The Pismire RUGCEL ATV Winches. If you need brand-name reliability in getting out of crucial situations with your ATV in the field, you need the Pismire RUGCEL ATV Winch. Pismire RUGCEL is a professional and reliable winch manufacturer with over 2 decades in the industry. The underlying winch features a heavy-duty hook that's made of sturdy forged steel. Its 1.5 horsepower motor delivers enough power to pull you, your ATV, and its contents from the mud, sand, or rocks. Utilize the gear ratio of 166:1 to achieve a seamless pull without worries. You can use the 2 included remote controls to operate the winch from a safe distance of up to 50 feet. Here are even more features of the winch. Number 5. FIERYRED Electric 12V ATV Winch. You can rely on this strong but quiet electric winch for your self-rescue missions during off-roading. It has both remote and wired control modes to help you achieve a lot of ease in operation. The waterproof and matte black finish keeps off water and dust, plus the corrosive effects. Its heavy-duty hook and body are sturdy and durable. The gear ratio of 153:1 works together with its differential planetary gear train to give an ultimate assurance of self-rescue. With the remote control feature, you can operate the winch from a safe distance of up to 25 meters. Get a full year's warranty plus lifetime technical support when you buy the winch's original version on Amazon. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.